I love her. 계란 다
반말까지.
반말 진작에 했어.
I got broads in Atlanta. Just to me in the family. Credit card.
Hey guys. Are you dying? Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm back again. Hope you guys are all doing great. Hope you guys are all safe. Today I'm back again with my niece. Hi! We're going to react to another video, and this time it's gonna be funny K-pop idols sneezing compilation. And I don't know why, but I love sneezing. Not me. I mean, I love hearing different people sneezing because you get to see how people do sneeze. Sometimes there are some people who are like, you get really scared like hearing them sneezing, and some others they're really cute. So I'm really curious about this one. So let's go. Okay, ready? Go. Yes. She speaks French, so I'm gonna be translating. So anyway, that's if she speaks. What? That's Taeyong, right? V from BTS. Oh my god, he got the swag. Look at him sneezing like that. Okay, cute. Okay, that's cute. Oh, cute. It's like.
한 적이 있어요. 그냥 알바비도 안 받고 친구한테 오히려 고기를 사줬대요.
What's her name? You know her?
광고 촬영.
I know. Je la vois, je la connais de vue, mais je la connais pas. What was this? Oh, what was this? Oh, so cute.
Okay. Bless you.
That was like the girl. The girl was screaming. Jackson. Oh my god, I hate this. I hate this. Mark. Nee, it's okay. Focus. Focus. Oh sh. What's her name? Oh. Oh my god, I hate it when. Oh my god.
Sorry.
Oh, they're so cute. Like the girl. It sounds fake. He had to pause. What's her name? Honey. I love her. Guys, we're going. Guys, we're going.
영재.
답변 부탁드립니다. 일단 제가 먼저
의미를 부여할 수는 없다고 생각합니다. 그래서 퍼센테이지 자체가 큰 의미.
I don't know girls bands. I don't know them. You know them? You know them? What? Aqui das coisas coisas. I mean, wait. He was speak it and then you sneeze. I love her.
반말 진작에 했어.
Yeah. Yeah. It's so cute. Again, Jisoo trying to sneeze. Focus it. Okay, shut up. Oh my god, I hate that. Bam Bam got scared. Oh. She was about to die. Who is that?
이게 없네.
Oh, Jimmy. Okay, okay, let's get back to. Bless you.
식상호가 밖에서 별자리나가 남는 거예요. 이게 우연찮게 식상호가 밖에서 별자리나가 남는 거예요.
Oh my god, again. Jisoo, either you sneeze or. Oh my god, it's just giving me stress.
아, 재채기가 V앱 할 때마다 재채기가 안 나와. 아, 진짜 싫다. 또 가스러.
Ah. You can do it. You can do it. No. Oh.
재채기를 보내버렸어.
What is this? It sounds like Sarah. Like, listen to this. It sounds like this is Sarah. Bless you. Oh, there's a bless you. Oh, they're sisters. Cookie.
스타일 TV를 봤는데 괜찮아요? 제 등에다가 좀 하지 마세요. 끔찍해요.
It's a ninja movie.
감사드립니다. 스마이스 진짜 바쁘잖아요. 1년 스케줄이 거의.
Oh. You can do it. Oh.
멜로디 라인이 달랐잖아. 맞아. 원래는 지금은 뭐 날차 알고 했죠. 아 갑자기 여기 멋지가
7개를 끓이기는 저 삼겹살 굽고 있는데 누가 돼? 예스!
그래서 뭔가 참 예쁘게 다닐 수도 있겠다는 거에 힘이 많이 실렸죠.
중국에서도 인기가 많아요.
Monster X, right? Monster X.
한번 보여드릴게요.
네.
아무래도
Oh, Gigi. Is he sneezing or coughing? Bless me. He will like bless me. How can he sneeze in his sleep? Oh my god.
하다 보니까
네네.
죄송합니다.
아 근데 왜 제 쪽을 보고?
아, 뭐. 나는. 아니 솔직히 라면 광고는
Isn't he in NCT or 17?
라면은
I don't know. Is he really sneezing like this?
밖에 있으니까 좋기도 한데 너무 슬픈 게 커플들이 너무 많아.
맞아.
다
Oh my god, V is the loudest. He's really loud. Oh, her nails! They're so pretty!
안 시원할 것 같은데 그렇게. 아이고.
V has the craziest sneeze.
좀이 발랄한 거? 좀이
더 많은 걸 보여주고 싶은 마음에.
What? She just sneezed while she is reading on the book. It is a... What? I don't know. Wow.
그리고요. 잠깐만요. 빛이.
Oh, that's very nice of him. He moved. Oh my god, what the hell? She jumped it up. Oh my god. He sneezed right on his face. Momo? They look alike. Look at them. Oh, what's your favorite sneeze? Taeyang. What is it?
Taeyang
I mean the girls. Jaebom. Got 7 Jaebom. What was it, Taeyang? He's really funny. Like the way he sneezes, it's really funny. That was a really nice video though. I don't know, like probably you guys for those who watch my old videos, there are some videos where I used to sneeze and some people laugh at me. Even now with my friends, they laugh at me when I sneeze because I have like yeah, you too. In a way, sometimes. It depends. So yeah, that was a really nice video. Hope you guys enjoyed it with us. You guys watch, don't forget to subscribe, follow me on my Instagram, and have a blessed day. Oh, bye. Bye.